Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, 2,34,084 cases were reported all over India. Still, 5 states account for almost 50% of the cases. They are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Yesterday, 2,200 new cases were reported in Delhi and 1,299 cases were reported in Mumbai. In both these places, number of cases are reducing because of the lockdown which is continuing. Yesterday, all over India, 20.66 lakhs COVID testing was carried out. As per one guide, 100 COVID cases are found in Mount Everest. In India, 8,800 cases of black fungus is reported. In Mumbai, in 2 housing society, door-to-door vaccination was carried out by a private hospital on chargeable basis as per the government rules. Another cyclone by name Yas is likely to intensify into very severe cyclonic storm and will cross over Odisha and West Bengal coast on May 26. Veteran music director Ram Lakshman, best known for his music in Rajashree Productions' blockbuster movie, namely मैंने प्यार किया, हम आपके कौन, died due to cardiac arrest. Yesterday, he was 78 years old. Yesterday, being Saturday, stock market was closed, hence there is no news related to stock market. JSW Steel, India's largest steel manufacturer, is considering a bid to buy Liberty Steel in Britain as well as some steel mills elsewhere. As per one report, be it salt or sugar, anything in excess is harmful. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.